Blizzard Beach. So a nice chilled morning in Blizzard Beach. We're going to get some lazy river on. We're going to do a couple of rides. We will take you with us, won't we, Max? Yeah. I'm going to go put my Crocs under the bed, and then I'm going to get in the lazy river. Oh no, Max is pushing me under the... So Max, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're in the lazy river.
We are in the lazy river. Kaylee went the other way. It's a wee bit overcast. When I say it's overcast, there's a lot of shade in this park, so it's quite nice. It's actually kind of blue skies. So, yeah, we're just having a wee mooch around the lazy river. Chilling,
I'm steering.
resting the feet. What's that?
I'm steering.
Oh, you're steering. Max is pushing and steering
I'm your
me.
pilot.
We're losing Mummy though. She's way behind. Enjoying your lazy river, Kaylee?
It's a traffic jam. We need a turn.
What do you think out of 10?
10 out of 10. I loved it. Can we go on it again?
We'll go after lunch. That was a really good line. That was a really, really good line. There was a wee raft ride at the end here. A wee lazy river, but a wee triple person lazy river. That was really good fun. So now we're heading to the wave pool. And no, we're going this way, the wave pool. We're going to go to the wave pool. We'll do that for a bit. I think we're going to take the wave pool, we'll take the lazy river round to our gear, and we will get some lunch. So wave pool first, a bit more lazy river, and then we'll go for lunch. are we, Max? We're in the wave pool. Something like a robot there. It's obviously not as big as the Typhoon Lagoon one, but it's good fun. How's that lazy raft? So we've been in a wave pool out of 10, Max, how is it? Not as good as Typhoon Lagoon's one? Yeah, it's not quite as good as Typhoon Lagoon's wave pool, but it's good fun. You can just chill a bit. So we're just back in the lazy river, we're just going to go around to our stop. We'll dive out, we'll get our gear to go and get some lunch, as it's now 1 o'clock. It's been a really nice morning so far. It's been chilled, we've enjoyed it. Max is still struggling with his rubber ring here. Get our lockers, we'll get some money and we'll go and grab something to eat. There's a lunch place just right next to where we put our stuff. So happy days. Nice lazy day today, loving life. So we forgot to film what we got for lunch because it started peeing it down with rain. So we've had to try and eat it. Just typical Orlando. The hot dog was the size of the box. Kaylee and I shared one. Max is having one to himself. Apparently. He's done well so far, to be fair. Comes with some baked chips. Lay's crisps. For the UK amongst us. Crisps, not chips. And we just got some Cokes. We kind of found a wee bit of shelter under a tree, but we're hoping there's just a passing bit of rain. I haven't heard any thunder and lightning, so nothing's closed. And you're wet anyway, so it doesn't really make much of a difference. It's just the tills we're trying to keep dry, so Kaylee's popped them under the beds. And you get tills here at Typhoon Lagoon anyway, so...
No.
Blizzard Beach, not Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach. So yeah, this is our lunch. Is it nice, Max? What would you give your hot dog? 10? 10. It was actually a really nice hot dog, to be honest. I'm going to give it a 7. Maybe no, I'm going to give it an 8. Kaylee's not impressed. Oh, 6.5. Nah, I'll go 7. I'm going to go with original, my 7 original. So guys, that's us done with the water park for the day. We're back in the room, we've had showers, we're going to nip out for something to eat. I think we're going to go up to the Korean BBQ place. It's like a kind of all you can eat. It's in Margaritaville. And then we're going to try and do a bit of the yeoman's football, golf, top golf kind of thing. So we're going to go there. It's been quite a good day, apart from the rain in the middle, so I just put the camera away because we were unsure when we were going to get back in the pool and stuff. We eventually did get back in the pool, but did get back on the slides. Really good water park. In my opinion, not as good as Typhoon Lagoon. I don't know. Kaylee?
I liked it. I liked Blizzard Beach because it was less sand. But it was packed. Like it was
jam-packed. It was so busy.
And even the lazy river was just completely full of rings. Like it was hard to laze, if you like, because it was just so busy.
I would agree. Max, how was your Blizzard Beach?
Good.
What would you give it at 10?
10.10.
A 10.10. Better than Typhoon Lagoon? Yeah? Oh, controversial indeed. Better than Typhoon Lagoon.
I guess for the kids on the slides and stuff like that. He really enjoyed the slides, and there was like a kind of, I don't know if you've been before, in the kind of kids area, they've got these like ropes with ice blocks that you've got to try and get across to the other side and all that, so he was just living life with all that kind of stuff. But like Kaylee says, like for the adults, we like the lazy river. The lazy river was jam-packed, it was so full, so many rings, it was just hard to kind of laze without bumping into people, without feeling you were being a nuisance. But it's still a good park. I just prefer Typhoon Lagoon. So come along with us tonight. Might not be the longest vlog today just because of the kind of day it is, but hey ho, we'll see where the world takes us. Okay guys, we are in Margaritaville. We're coming to KPOT Korean BBQ and Hot Pot. What it's like, apparently it's like a buffet, Korean buffet, so fingers crossed it is tasty. Looks nice from the outside. So we're here in the KPOT. Basically it's just I've never been to a Korean barbecue before, so you get your hot pot where you can get your soup base, and then you get your noodles, you get your protein, whatever you want for your soup, and then you get your barbecue in the middle for doing your meats. You've just got your own little iPad, and you can order pretty much anything. You know, the list is huge, and this is all you can eat as well. So this is all your hot pot sliced meats for your soup. So you've got obviously all your kind of sliced ribeye, prime brisket, you've got some crab meats, some fish stuff, some hot pot for the fish items, oh sorry, fish items for the hot pot, different sorts of veg, noodles, and then you go into your barbecue section for doing in the middle. So you've got all your kind of beefs, chickens, fish. So yeah, this is looking really good. Let's go, man. There's also an appetizer bar where you've got like onion rings.
There's watermelon, there's oysters, there's cakes, there's
all sorts.
Sauces, yeah.
Yeah, so this is looking good. Let's see how we go on. What are you cooking, Max?
I'm cooking some steak.
Some yummy steak. So Chef Max is cooking the steak. There's some chicken in there as well. We've got some calamari to go in there. Still got some meats and stuff for our soup. But yeah, pretty cool experience, eh? So we're through. I think we've just got a bit of pork belly to come for the grill. Max has moved on to his dessert. How is it, Max?
Yeah. So I've already ate the cake. It tasted like sponge, but also chocolatey, and it was good. And I had the strawberry tasting thing. It tastes like green.
Are we strawberry mousse?
And some chocolate ice cream.
Some chocolate ice cream. Sounds good. So we've come back to Yeoman's, the British pub. We're going to play a bit of football, which is here. We've got Topgolf, football, baseball, all sorts. Oh, it's missed.
Hey. Yeah.
So that's us back in the room. Had a pretty uneventful day. Blizzard Beach, and then back home, showers, off to dinner. We went to the KPOT barbecue. Max, what are you giving the KPOT barbecue?
4 out of 10. I didn't really like it.
4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. He didn't really like it. He had the steak. He likes steak. He's got expensive taste, so he had steak, which he enjoyed, but there's not really an awful lot on there for him as such. It's kind of like you get your own soup, your own broth, and you got all your different meats. You put it in, you put your ramen in. I've never done that before. I think there is a few restaurants in Glasgow, and I'm sure in the UK, the kind of Korean barbecue style. It's a bit of food today, you have to season your own food and all that, so it was a good experience. I enjoyed the food, I thought it was okay. Kaylee?
Yeah, I thought it was a good experience. It was good to see all the different varieties of meats, and you can just order what you like, you know, like there's pork belly on there, there's steak, there's all different kinds of meats and stuff, so it was good from that. But yeah, I've got a cold, I couldn't really taste a great deal, to be honest, anyway, but the ramen was nice. I had the Japanese miso, which was quite nice. But yeah, it was an experience, an expensive experience, I think, for having to do everything yourself. But
yeah, it was about $120 or something like that all in. So I don't think, I mean, it was okay. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. I'm not sure I would go back. But that is us for today. We've got Animal Kingdom tomorrow. We have Rainforest Cafe booked for dinner. And we might go to Magic Kingdom later on at night as well. So we will see you tomorrow. Good night.